everyone, welcome back to EDUx Talks. If you've ever stared at your bank account and thought, there has to be a better way to make money than this 9 to 5 grind, you're not alone. The truth is, most people underestimate the power of unconventional side hustles, the kind that don't require a college degree, a huge investment, or even leaving your house. Today, we're diving deep into 5 paths that are helping ordinary people turn into millionaires. These aren't your typical sell crafts on Etsy or drive for Uber gigs. These are creative, scalable, and totally under the radar. By the end of this video, you'll see that financial freedom might be closer than you think. Grab a notebook because we're about to break down exactly how to get started. Path 1. Niche digital product creation. The set it and forget it. What is it? Selling hyper-specific digital goods. Think printable planners for bullet journal enthusiasts, SVG files for crafters, or Excel templates for freelancers. Unlike physical products, there's zero inventory, no shipping costs, and once you create it, it sells forever. Why unconventional? Most people overlook digital products because they assume everyone's doing it, but the secret is niche targeting. A single product tailored to a tiny, passionate group can generate thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. For example, Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, made a plant care tracker for succulent lovers. She spent 2 hours designing it in Canva, listed it on Etsy for $12, and sold 800 copies in 6 months, generating $9,600. No restocking, no packaging, just passive income. How to start? 1. Pick a micro niche. Think budgeting for freelancers, meal prep for busy parents, or vintage typewriter maintenance logs. Use Etsy's search bar to see what's trending. Type in printable plus your niche. 2. Create simply. You don't need fancy software. Canva, Google Sheets, or even PowerPoint work great. Start with 3 to 5 products, test which sells best, then double down. 3. Market smart. Share your products in Facebook groups like Succulent Lovers United or Instagram. Use hashtags like Plant Care Tracker. Offer a discount for the first 10 buyers to build buzz. Path 2. Social media arbitrage, buy low, sell high with content. What is it? Buying low-cost, high-quality content from creators via Fiverr, Upwork, or even TikTok, and reselling it to brands as custom social media packages. For example, you might hire a graphic designer on Fiverr to make 10 Instagram posts for $200, then sell them to a local bakery for $1,500. Why unconventional? Brands overpay for agency work, which charges $500 plus per post, but solo creators undercharge for their skills. You act as the middleman, leveraging the gap between supply and demand. Mike, a college student, used this method to make $700 profit in a month. He bought 10 TikTok videos for $100 from a creator, then sold them to a coffee shop for $800. How to start? 1. Find cheap content. On Fiverr, filter for Instagram posts with 5-star reviews and quick delivery. Negotiate bulk rates, like 10 posts for $150 instead of $20 each. 2. Pitch brands. Send cold emails with a sample package. Here's a set of 5 custom posts I created for a similar brand. Would you like me to do the same for a brand name? Include a link to your portfolio. Even a Google Drive folder with examples works. 3. Scale fast. Once you land a few clients, ask for referrals. Word of mouth is gold in this space. Path 3. Micro-influencing. Small followings, but big impact. What is it? Building tiny but hyper-engaged followings in ultra-specific niches, like urban gardening for apartment dwellers or vintage typewriter collectors. Unlike macro-influencers, micro-influencers charge less per post but deliver higher ROI for brands. Their followers actually buy. Why unconventional? Most people chase millions of followers, but micro-influencers have loyal communities. A brand might pay $500 for a post to a 5K follower account focused on sustainable fashion because those followers trust the influencer's recommendations. How to start? 1. Pick a passion niche. Choose something you love, like zero-waste living or indie book reviews. Authenticity is key. Followers can spot fake enthusiasm from a mile away. 2. Post consistently on Instagram or TikTok. Use hashtags strategically, like zero-waste living tips, and collaborate with other micro-influencers to cross-promote. 3. Monetize smart. Start with brand deals, charge $100 to $300 per post for 1K to 5K followers, then branch out into affiliate marketing, share products you love and earn commissions, or sell your own digital products, like a zero-waste starter kit guide. Path 4. Crowdfunding consulting. Turn failed campaigns into gold. What is it? Helping entrepreneurs launch successful Kickstarter Indiegogo campaigns. You handle everything from campaign design to backer communication, taking a percentage of the funds raised, usually 10 to 15%. Why unconventional? Most people think crowdfunding is easy, but 70% of campaigns fail. Consultants who know the tricks, like pre-launch email lists, stretch goals, and video storytelling, can turn a failing project into a six-figure success. How to start? 1. Learn the ropes. Study top campaigns. Look at the funded tags on Kickstarter. Pay attention to their video scripts, reward tiers, and pre-launch strategies. 2. Offer free help. Volunteer to manage a friend's campaign to build your portfolio. Then pitch startups with a simple proposal. I'll handle your crowdfunding campaign for 10% of the funds raised. Less than agencies, more personalized. 3. Avoid common mistakes. Don't set unrealistic goals. Too high equals failure. Too low equals leaving money on the table. Engage with backers daily. They want to feel involved, so respond to comments within 24 hours. Path 5. Virtual event production. The behind-the-scenes millionaire maker. What is it? Managing online conferences, workshops, or webinars for businesses. You handle logistics like Zoom setup, slide decks, Q&A moderation, and attendee follow-up, while the speaker focuses on content. As remote work grows, companies need help running virtual events, but don't want to hire a full-time team. A single event can pay $2K to $5K, and you can scale by working with multiple clients. Jenna, a former teacher, started producing virtual events for local gyms. She charged $800 per event and did 5 events in a month, earning $4,000. After 6 months, she quit her day job. How to start? 1. Master the tools. Use StreamYard for free for basic features to host multi-guest events. Learn how to use Zoom breakout rooms, Loom for recording demos, and Trello for organizing tasks. 2. Start small. Offer to produce a free webinar for a local business to build your portfolio. Then pitch larger companies with a package. I'll manage your virtual event, including setup, moderation, and follow-up for X dollars. 3. Repurpose content. Record all events and turn clips into Instagram Reels or blog posts. This adds value for clients and helps you attract new ones. Final thoughts. Your path to financial freedom starts now. Look, none of these paths are get rich quick. They require hard work, consistency, and a willingness to try new things. But what makes them so powerful is that they're accessible to anyone. You don't need a trust fund or a PhD, just a laptop, some creativity, and the drive to start. Which path resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your plans. And if you're ready to dive deeper, subscribe to EDUx Talks for more tips on building wealth outside the 9-to-5. Remember, the only difference between where you are now and where you want to be is taking the first step. So go ahead, pick one path, start small, and watch your dreams become reality. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep hustling.